This is Calmia polyfolia, a nice little bog one, different than our angustifolia, which kill. This one typically has two flowers at the tip. This was done at the end of June. This is was the flower. This is the seed pod. It's a drupe. And you can't see it with the naked eye. When you look at it, all you can see is this, and you don't see anything down there. I could not see it with the naked eye. With the macro lens, it's about 2 times magnification. You can see it. This is just a nice grouping of plants in a rock face. It's a rocky beach. It's actually, I think, Crystal Crescent Beach. And you get these nice little plants growing there. Can't remember the name of it now. This is our trip to Blanche. We went to see the Burrowing Owl. These are not in proper sequence anymore. I don't know why, but anyway. This is Salicoria. That's a glasswort. There are huge patches of this. And this little guy is what we were looking for. I went back after most people had left and very, very slowly crawled along the beach, keeping my head down, looking at the ground all the time, glancing up once in a while until I got close enough to be able to get a picture. And I managed to get this. That's the Burrowing Owl. Sorry, it's not botany, but that's why we were there. That was a trip we organized rather quickly at the end of September, early October. On that same trip, these orchids were on the side of the road, and there's a huge patch of them. And this is Herb Robert. This is taken well into October near Digby at Parker's Cove. Along with this, there's a evening primrose in full bloom. This is in late October, early November, and they were blooming right up to December. And these beautiful little basil rosettes. It's in my son's driveway. Gaultheria procumbens. This is well into November. There's frost on the ground. And this is one I wanted to show earlier. This is the Calmia, again in the end of November. You can see the flowers would be down here rather than at the tip, as in the polyfolia. This is one of my hepaticas. I photographed that in the beginning of December, where we had a nice warm spell, and this is the flower bud right here. 3 weeks later, it was gone, the whole plant, eaten by deer. I doubt it was going to come back. This is a project I'm working on right now. This is red oak, and these bundle branch traces, we're trying to count them, and the shape of the bundle, the twig scar is how you identify the plant. And there's ilex and red maple. And what I was trying to do is match these up. This is the red oak. Here's the bundle back. This is from Trelease's book on winter botany, but this is how you identify these plants in winter. And this is red maple. Maple has this V-shaped leaf scar. And the ilex, a little short stipule or pedicel. And I don't know, almost a V, wide V leaf scar.
Peter's asking what publication this is.
This is a Trelease, Winter Botany. It's an old book, been around for a long time. But it's got good illustrations. And I've been trying to match up images like that, like that from the book with these. Now, I did what I was trying to get was this, and then I want in the same screen, I'd like to have the illustration from the book, but I haven't been able to do that yet.
Right.
Ilex is particularly nice this time of year.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell it's a red maple. There's always something red on a red maple. There's red patches all over the place here. And this twig was actually kind of red. It doesn't show very well on the image. And that's it for me. Thank you.